look, y'all see this truck at night, man, yeah, you have a light, but come on, man, it's not really bright enough. You want something extremely bright. So you see this in my hand right here? See the bulb in there, right? I'm gonna pull this bad boy out. Come right here, and they have double-sided tape. I'm gonna peel that off. On the LEDs we just installed, when some people run the LEDs, they stay on all the time. This works factory. Let's pop the hood. So you look, it looks dark in there, right? See how it came on now? Watch this. See how it turns off? On, off, just like factory.